How to cook cheese sauce. Queso tupola. Guys, almost there. Almost there.
Wag na,
Hindi mo
nag-grate
palo.
na. No need. This one lang. This one. Oh.
Cheese.
Okay na, okay na. Dirty yung hande.
Wow, yes. Cheese. Wow, yes. The cheese.
Milk.
Remove rubber.
Ito na.
Cheese.
Faster.
Wow, yes.
Faster, faster. Here na.
Put your milk. Put your
Wait.
milk. And put your cornstarch. Put your
Cornstarch.
cornstarch. And cheese. Put
Later pa yung cheese.
put your
Hindi yan. This one. Milk.
this is
Milk.
milk.
Yan na nga yun. Milk. Nilagay ko lang sa baso. This one. Milk.
Milk, paso. Put your milk. Put your milk. And put your cornstarch. Wow, yes, mix.
More milk. Pause mo muna. Pause.
Milk. Mix. Put your cornstarch.
Yeah. Dami.
Mix. Look at that. Don't touch.
Oh, mix mo, mix mo. Mix mo. Slowly, slowly. Super slow lang, super slow. Super slow lang mix ha.
Put your cheese. Put your cornstarch. Ouch. So good. Huh? Or huh? Huh? Hmm.
Super slow lang ha. Easy, easy.
Long time.
Pause na, pause na. Later pa natin lalagay, get mo lang. Wait natin mag ano. Oh, wait, later pa, later. Huwag ka tumapon. Pause mo muna, hindi pwedeng at. Pause.
Cheese. Put your cheese. Let me taste.
Later. Pause. Wait lang.
Taste.
Mix mo, slowly. Balance lang. Excuse me.
Taste.
Ay, pause mo, hindi pwede. Pause.
Joy.
No, don't video this. Don't video, bawal.
Hello, little teeth.
Little sugar.
A little teeth sugar.
Okay.
This is
Salt, konti salt,
a little bit sugar.
Okay.
Put your a little bit sugar.
Okay, wait.
Wow,
Pause muna,
mix.
pause.
Then turn off.
Turn off. After turn off,
Put
mix
your
cheese.
cheese. Mix cheese. Put your cheese. Alright.
Pause muna.
Mix.
Let's wait to melt. Sarap.
Sarap.
Dami cheese.
Dummy cheese. Delicious.
You want this?
Yeah. Ah, yes.
Pause mo muna. Mimix pa natin. Pause muna. Wag!
Put your
Wala. Bawal video to. Bawal. Meron na.
finish.
Okay na, like and subscribe na. Okay na, like and subscribe. Oh, enough na, wag mo na video. Finish na.
Wow, yes. The cheese sauce finish cook. Wow, yes. Like and subscribe. Bye now.
Okay.
Put your sugar. Wow,
Wala.
yeah. Round 2. Round 1. Round 2. Left 2. Left 1. We will put rubber. Casserole. We will put rubber. Cheese. Wow, yes. Milk. Cornstarch. Sugar. Cheese.
Na.
Sugar. Mix. Wow, yes. Like. Cheese
Stop
sauce.
na yan.
Level 2. Round 2. This is.
Bake. Ano nga?
This is
Bake. Scallop. Scallop to, di ba?
level 2. Round 2. Put your pink salt. And put your cheese.
Pagdoble mo na
Put
tayo.
your salt.
Doble na yan. Ito.
Put your cheese sauce.
Hindi mo
Remove shell. Salt.
Pag may
Remove.
video to, pag may video, inaayos pa ni Mami.
If you find yourself sinking into
Pag mo muna yung video.
Oh my gosh. Put your cheese. Put your cheese sauce.
Stop na yung video. Pause naman. Later na. Pag...
For the minutes. Round 3. Level 3. Level 3.
Part 3.
Level 3. Level 3. Round 3. Level 3. Round 3. Level 3. Level 3. Round 3. Salmon. Put your
Lemon.
lemon,
Salt and pepper.
salt and pepper,
Garlic powder.
curry powder.
Later cheese.
This is
Salmon.
pepper,
Yeah.
little cheese.
Uy, ikaw talaga
Put your-
napakalit mo. Later
put your
na yan. Wag.
Cheese.
Yeah, cheese powder.
Put your cheese powder. Put your
Salt and pepper. Sabi si Daddy.
Puchoy. Puchoy.
Salt and pepper, butter.
Salt and pepper and butter and
Wala pa. Later pa.
cheese.
Yeah.
Cheese. Wow, yes. Let's taste. Let's follow.
Hindi, dyan ko lalagay yung salmon. Mag-saute tayo ng ano. Tingin ko may magabasa dyan. Hindi ko ito sila. Excuse me. Uy.
Delicious.
Ay, mama dito. Ay, dito.
Yes.
Sweet po to. Ganyan. Ayan.
Yes.
Uy, kinain mo na naman yung isa.
Dalawang plato. Magkano ito? Salak na to.
200 something.
Ah, okay. Pwede.
Lasang salad. Eh, sa pengin tissue.
Tumawag yung bagong po yun ah.
Sige. Patunga mo na lang.
Ano ba?
Parang lumasa.
Hindi, ano yun, mag-evaporate yun eh. Bago na lang.
Yo, cheese. Cheese. Oh. Not oh. Cheese.
Sabi tayo ng mamaya. Corn and carrots.
Cleaning.
Pati pag
Stop. Puchoy.
salmon.
Salmon. Cheese.
Parang nakukunti ang pako.
Cheese.
Okay. Wait.
Put your cheese.
So, matakpan.
Put your cheese. 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 Put your cheese.
Kaya na natin lakasan.
Put your
para maluto yung loob.
cheese. And put your cheese.
Nalagyan na
And
natin
put
to
your
sa
cheese. And put your cheese. And put your cheese. That's enough.
disposable.
Open. Put your fish, salmon, cheese, cover, and then close. 60 minutes.
Hmm?
Timer. Timer.
30 minutes.
30 minutes.
Plastic ko na lang kaya eh.
Ano yun?
Cheese sauce.
Pwede.
Oh, lagay mo sa kitchen. Tapon na yan dun. Oh, tapon
Mm.
lagay mo sa kitchen.
Mm.
Big fish ha?
Baked salmon.
Ano?
Baked fish.
Mainit ah. Mamaya na, mamaya pa kakain.
Ito for
Bubuksan yan, papaloy kita.
put your vegetable. Wow, yes. Put your paloy.
Sisira, ayaw.
It's broken.
Later na. Off mo na, off mo na. Sunog na, don't open ah. Sayang yung heat. Finish na. Do not open. No, 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 no. Later pa, sayang yung init. Later, don't open, don't open. Water.
Paloy.
Butter.
Put your vegetable.
Yes.
Melt frozen.
Yeah.
Burger. You're kidding. You can have cheeseburger.
Later mo na.
You're kidding. You can have cheeseburger. You're kidding. You can have cheeseburger. You're kidding. You can have cheeseburger.
Mmm.
Hoy. Lahat tayo. Ulo, gusto mo na yun sa... Hindi lang kita nasal mo. Alam mo bukas. Hindi mo maantay kasi. Pwede kong makapalaw dito.
No.
Pwede.
No.
Bakit?
That's bad.
Ha? Pwede makapalo.
No. Mmm.
Sabi mo na.
Mm.
Sabi mo na di mag...
Mm.
Huwag mo na yung video to.
Mm.
Sabi mo
Wow, yes. Mm.
Sabi ko kaya. Sorry ka na pala yung oven yun. Napapabay
It's
ka.
hot.